Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 3 online. While the official servers are no longer active, a dedicated community has created a fantastic solution. We'll walk through the steps to get you back into the action, battling friends and foes across the globe. This guide will cover everything from setting up the necessary software to joining your first online match. Let's get started and revive those epic Red Alert 3 battles. First, you'll need to visit the C&C online website to register for a free account. This account is essential for accessing the community-run servers. After registration, remember to create a separate server login within your account settings. This is what you'll use to log in from within the game itself. Finally, download and install the C&C online launcher. This small application is the gateway to your online multiplayer experience. With your C&C online account ready and the launcher installed, open the launcher and hook your Red Alert 3 game. This process integrates the game with the community servers. It's also crucial to ensure your game is updated to the latest community patch, version 1.12.6, for optimal performance and bug fixes. Once hooked and patched, simply launch Red Alert 3 directly through the C&C online launcher to begin your online journey. Once in Red Alert 3, head to the online multiplayer menu. Here, you'll log in using the server username and password you created on the C&C online website. After a successful login, you can browse available custom matches or host your own game to play with friends or other community members. It's that simple to jump into the action. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.